Hey again, in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to manage your Unblit account, like updating your profile, changing your email and all those stuff. And so first log into your Unblit account. Once you are in, look up at the top right corner, you will see your profile icon. Click on that and from the drop down, select the settings. Now here you will see profile settings. Go ahead and click that. This is where you can manage all your account information, your company details, and if you want to change your company name and the other preferences. Let's say you want to change your email address, and click on the change and then type your new email. Make sure there are no typos because this will become your new login email. Next, click send code. Unblit will send a one-time password or OTP straight to your new email. Go check your inbox, and if you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes it can take a few minutes to arrive. Once you get the code, enter it, and yes, your email is updated. And also, if you want to delete your account, then you can simply click delete account option and enter your email address to confirm your account deletion. So yeah, and that's it. It's managing your Unblit account is really that simple.